SAP Community Voice, January 29th, 2026. Hey everybody, and welcome back to the SAP Community Voice. I'm here in Waldorf this week, and so happy to bring you the latest from the SAP community, with highlights, stories, and updates from across the globe. There's so much happening in our SAP community right now, from innovative blog posts and hands-on technical content to inspiring personal stories and great upcoming events around the world. In today's edition, we're going to explore practical resources to support your SAP BW to Datasphere journey, dive into AI-enabled development with ABAP and Joule, discover a beautiful story from our Hobbies Series, and of course, share important community news and events that you won't want to miss. So stay with us, there's plenty of valuable content coming your way. First, we want to highlight featured blog posts. As always, the links are in the description down below. With the end of SAP BW approaching, many companies are developing and diving into SAP Datasphere to migrate reports and build new solutions. SAP community member CLTGravesen published a new blog post focusing on one specific gap: the absence of standard BW exit variables like current month and current year in Datasphere. Christian presents a ready-to-install package that recreates these calendar variables, complete with GitHub access and clear installation guidance. This is a very practical resource for anyone working on BW. Your migration is going to be much better if you look at how you can develop analytical models in SAP Datasphere. So good luck. Next, let's talk about AI-enabled applications with the ABAP AI SDK powered by ISLM. SAP's advocate Swati explained in her blog post how, as AI becomes a core part of the application development, SAP Joule for Developers introduces AI-driven capabilities directly into the ABAP world. Through her example, generating a travel itinerary budget breakdown using generative AI, she walks us through the supported products, the key architecture, and the key implementation steps. And if you want to stay up to date on ABAP AI, she included a blog post thread about these topics that you can subscribe to, which is a great way to keep learning. Now, moving on to Joule skills in SAP EHSM, Incident Management and beyond. Since the beginning of the year, this year, SAP community member Pardhasa Radhi has been sharing great content about his Joule learning and execution journey. In one of his recent blog posts, he focused on SAP Joule skills in SAP EHSM Incident Management. He gives detailed insights into low-code and even no-code setups using OData services, from understanding Joule capability types, configuring, deploying, and testing a custom skill. This blog provides a clear and practical guide for enabling conversational AI-driven incident reporting in an enterprise environment. Last but not least, we want to highlight SAP's Max Gander and Mark Daniel very complete step-by-step guide on how predictive forecast built with SAP HANA's automated predictive library can be integrated into a seamless planning model. They explain how with SAP Business Data Cloud and Seamless Planning, data scientists can now leverage HANA's Predictive Analysis Library, or PAL, and APL directly on the HANA database of SAP Datasphere and integrate the results smoothly into planning processes. In the end, they also recommend more useful content published on SAP Community, making this a valuable piece of content for everyone that is learning about automated predictive library in a seamless planning model. Now, let's move on to the community news. Don't forget, we're still waiting for your feedback. In the last Community Voice edition, we shared details about our 2026 SAP Community Open Survey. For more information, you can check out Manina's blog post, but we'd like to remind everyone that there's still time to participate and share your opinion. The survey takes just a few minutes, and it can be completed on your smartphone or computer. The link for the survey is in the description down below, and you can also scan the QR code next to me. Once the survey concludes, we'll carefully analyze the results and share a summary report with you. If you share the survey link or QR code on your social media and comment on the blog post with a link showing how you helped, spread the word, you'll automatically enter to win a drawing with a virtual meet and greet with me. I really want to get to know you and your opinions, so make sure to participate, and then you and I can connect and talk about the survey and talk about anything else you want to talk about. And our Community Hobbies Series keeps growing and surprising me. Today, we would like to bring into light SAP's Sumaiya, who published a beautiful blog post about her journey into gardening. Something that started as a small thing during COVID grew into a thriving terrace garden with over 300 plants, including fruits, vegetables, succulents, and ornamental species. The pictures that she shared are simply amazing. You need to check out these flowers. Also, she describes how gardening became a way to slow down, reconnect, and find balance beyond screens and schedules. One of the biggest lessons and connections with her work at SAP is how gardening reminds her that real success comes from nurturing systems patiently, not forcing outcomes, which helps her show up at work more grounded, focused, calm. It's inspiring, right? Make sure to check out the content by clicking on the link below. Are you planning on attending any SAP events this year? Because I just attended my first SAP community-driven event right here in Heidelberg at a Stammtisch. It was amazing to spend some quality time with the SAP community colleagues here in Germany. We had some guests come, we sat down at a table, talked all about topics around SAP and our great plans for the community this year. If we didn't see you there, we hope to see you at another one. And by the way, in the next 2 weeks, there are SAP CODEJAMs happening all over the world, including sessions in Bengaluru, Milan, Sydney, here in Heidelberg, well, Waldorf and Heidelberg are very close, Paris, Melbourne, and of course, if you're from Brazil, you might want to look into the things happening in Joinville. There we have even bigger news for you. The SAP Inside Track Joinville is coming up soon. On March 14th, the event will have high-level sessions on innovation technology and SAP trends, plus the opportunity to exchange experiences with other community experts. Make sure to check it out on the location group page at the SAP Community and book your tickets. You can find a full list of the upcoming events in the video description below as well. That's all for today, and it was a lot. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the SAP community for more updates, stories, and learning opportunities.